Hello there, I'm Sean Connery. This is Everything Sounds Better as Sean Connery. I hope you enjoy Everything Sounds Better as Sean Connery with Sean Connery, starring as Sean Connery. Sean Connery says, Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Be a be a guest, put our service to the test. If you don't believe me, ask the dishes. The dishes, mind you, not the missus. Don't ask the missus, she'll never shut up. I'm Sean Connery. Sean Connery says, Strolls are super. Young Sean Connery says, Strolls are super sweet. Sean Connery has always been old. She's a super freak, super fleek. She's super fleeky. Sean Connery says, this is super exciting. I have questions about this Sally. She says she sells seashells by the seashore, but in fact she does not. She's a liar. She sells seashells by the ocean shore. It's the ocean, Sally, not the sea. Also, why are you selling seashells on a beach? You could just reach down and pick up a seashell. I'm Sean Connery. Seashells. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my. What a collection of mammals. Other mammals not listed include lemurs, monkeys, dogs, sharks. Wait, sharks are not mammals. Whales are, but not whale sharks. Incidentally, sharks do not have buttocks. They have a cloaca. Just like reptiles, and probably amphibians. I think birds have cloacas, which makes mammals really weird. They're the only ones to kind of separate it out. I'm kind of glad they did. That is icky. I'm Sean Connery, and now that is something you know. If birds have cloacas, and reptiles have cloacas, neither of them have buttocks. That probably means the dinosaurs had cloacas. Guess they came in between the two. And also, alligators have cloacas. And they're kind of closer to birds than, reptiles. They're closer to dinosaurs. This one got awkward, but I'm Sean Connery, and I refuse to hit delete. I don't always sit in the car waiting for it to warm up, but when I do, it's because it's cold and fogged up and I cannot see. See, you cannot see. I cannot see either, even though I am Sean Connery. Also, this song is terrible. And that is static. And that is annoying. This is okay. I will listen to this. I'm Sean Connery, and my glasses are crooked. Sunglasses at night. Sean Connery wears sunglasses at night. Sean Connery wears sunglasses at night. Please note, it is not mine, so I'm not wearing my sunglasses. Some people say to me, Sean Connery, you look suspiciously young. I say to them, you look suspiciously old. Sean Connery loves the kitty. This has been Ethics Sounds Better as Sean Connery, starring Sean Connery as Sean Connery. Thank you for watching. You can turn it off now. Please go away. Stop filming me. Oh, right, I didn't do that. This has been a work of fiction. There is no connection between characters and actual people, including Sean Connery. Characters who call themselves Sean Connery should not be mistaken with Sean Connery. This is a character named Sean Connery, who may or may not sound similar to the actual Sean Connery, but there is no connection, is not based on Sean Connery, that is merely coincidence. Trust me, I'm Sean Connery. Goodbye.